These circular eyes enable him to see in all directions simultaneously, 360 degrees. Crabs might be small in stature, but they can put up a mighty big fight. Okay, this guy's out of here. Time to hightail it back to the sea. Bon voyage. Across the savanna, deserts, and lowlands, scorching heat saps the water from the earth. Despite the hot layers, this is still a great place to go fishing for one of the strangest species of fish. He's smart enough to look at maybe something. The African lungfish. Astonishing. By burrowing deep into the mud and slowing down his metabolism, a lungfish can survive in this wasteland till the next rainy season. The ability to breathe air helps him survive out of the water for, are you ready for this, my friends? Up to 2 years. His lungs are similar to those found in primitive amphibians. Size-wise, an African lungfish can become over 6 feet long. They are predators, and they're not very picky eaters. When water levels are high, they will devour anything they can find. Crab, crayfish, breakfast burritos, you name it. Now, swamps and ponds like this are usually teeming with life. Some of the regulars you might bump into around here have been roaming the earth since the dinosaurs. I'm talking about turtles, terrapins, and tortoises. So, what's the difference? Excellent question. The key to understanding the difference lies in knowing where they live and how they use their habitat. Technically, all of them are reptiles. They all have scales, lay eggs, and are ectothermic. That means they depend on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. A turtle, however, spends the majority of his life in the water. Webbed feet help him get around his swampy home. Terrapins can live on both land and in the water. They usually make their homes near rivers, ponds, and streams.